Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make a playlist on Spotify. Stick around until the end to learn all the steps and tips to organize your favorite songs and keep the music flowing. Let's get started. First, open the app on your mobile device and make sure that you're logged into your account. At the bottom of the screen, you will see several icons. Click on your library icon. This is where all your playlists, songs, albums are located. In the top right corner of your library, you will see a plus icon. Tap on it to begin creating your playlist. And you will see a pop up like this. Click on Playlist. Now you will be prompted to give your playlist a name. So choose something fun or descriptive and then click on Create. Your playlist is now created, but it is empty. To add songs, search for a song in the search bar. And when you find a song you like, tap on plus icon next to it and add it to your new playlist. You can keep adding songs to the playlist by browsing or searching for them in Spotify's massive library. Now, to share your playlist, tap on three dots on your playlist page and choose Share. And you can share via social media, messaging apps, or copy the link. That's all for today's video. Leave a comment and let us know if this is helpful. Thanks for watching.